Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PCTL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And both those levels factor in today's analysis. And it's always kind of funny. You look at social media and message boards and stuff, and you can tell people that and I don't say this in a mean way, it's just very obvious who's not really using technical charts, because you have some people totally freaking out. And I get it why they're freaking out. I mean, because sure, the price was up here and it pulled back. But I mean, that's only a little small part of the story. When you take a step back and look at the bigger part of the story, yeah, I get it. It did pull back here, but it's still not only up above this green line that I talked about in yesterday's video, it's still even up above that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And in other words, no price can go straight up. So I get it. Pullbacks aren't fun, but there's points where you need to panic and say, oh, okay, this is no longer a pullback, but it's a reversal. But neither of those are true right now. As of right now, if you say, Clay, look, summarize this in a couple words, healthy pullback. Now, that can always change. Like I said, if the price on Friday all of a sudden decides to just break down through all those levels of support, now that's a much different scenario. But as of right now, this is totally healthy. I mean, right here, look at that big pullback that ultimately ripped to the new highs there. So overall, everything is still perfectly fine. Yeah, it's annoying. Yeah, nobody enjoys to see the price pull back, but it's not like the price crashed or reversed or anything like that. So moral of the story here, the two levels of support to watch closely going to be right up here at 0.078. Again, I talked about that pretty extensively in past videos. And then from the overarching standpoint, continue to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Those are definitely going to be the preferable levels of support that you want to see hold above. And then as far as levels of resistance, as I talked about in yesterday's video, 0.095 did indeed ultimately hold as resistance here. So another, very well-defined breakout point seems to be taking shape. But at the end of the day, as long as the price continues to build those higher bases, that's what matters most. So we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.